Hi, I'm Mortgage Mark. Let's talk APR, an annual percentage rate. Guys, your APR is not your interest rate. Your interest rate is what determines how much you will borrow over the life of your mortgage. An APR is a disclosure form used for compliance reasons to show you that you are paying more than just your interest rate when borrowing this money. An APR basically takes the fees at closing, or at least a lot of them, takes these fees, converts them to a 1-year yield, and then adds that to your interest rate. That's why your APR will be higher than your interest rate. If it's identical, it means you're not paying a dime for anything. I don't know many lenders that aren't gonna charge you anything. Even no cost loans, guys, those have fees. You're just not paying them, and they may be in that APR. Here's the catch though. While you might want to compare APR from lender A to lender B, it's not perfect. Some lenders consider some fees APR fees, others may not. Now the bulk of them will certainly be similar, but at the end of the day, it may not be perfect. Also, guys, think about this. One lender, my personal approach, might take a more conservative estimate, give you third-party fees, round up a little bit to make sure that you're seeing a realistic or worst-case scenario so that you're prepared with the proper amount of funds to close. Another lender might get real aggressive and real thin on those third-party fees, and their APR may be lower because of that. But recognize those fees, they don't control them. They're going to be what they're going to be because they're third parties. So you really want to make sure you're truly comparing apples to apples and work with somebody you know, like, and trust. So guys, if you see a big spread between your interest rate and the APR, it means there's a lot of fees, points, discount points, things of that nature. If it's really pretty tight, then just realize, there's not a lot of fees baked into that cake. So if you get some really crazy, stupid low interest rate, that's awesome, good for you. Just know that if that APR is this huge monumental difference of like half point or a full point, there's probably a ton of points in there. So if you got a 4% interest rate and a 5% APR, ask questions about those fees, guys. Obviously, if you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer and review anything you need us to regarding the APR or some other proposal. Be sure to check out our section about how to compare and shop for a mortgage. We give you the 3 things you need to look for. And as always, guys, again, we're here to help. We look forward to chatting with you.